Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to today's video. Probably gonna be a quick video, but finally, we're actually gonna go to the store. I need to get something to drink, as well as I need to wash the car. These rims are just dirty, disgusting. So I haven't washed the car in a while. Been extremely busy, and doing other things. And so this thing needs a wash for sure. So the reason why I labeled this video finally is the part that I talked about, I think maybe once, no, maybe twice. I think I talked about briefly in the last video. Finally is coming in. I got the email that said, hey, it's been shipped. I should get it either next week or the week after. I forget what the tracking number said, but for sure, everything's going good. As you can see, numbers, AFRs are great. Well, that's heat warming up. But yeah, I've been waiting for this part for months. I think I ordered this in May or April. You have to go back and find the video where I talked about it. But yeah, it's been a long time, man. There was another part that I actually wanted to get the 3Z Society, but man, this is taking so long to get this part. It's like, man, let me just get this part in and get it all done up and installed before I think about ordering another custom-made part. It's gonna take forever to get here. But yeah, again, I'm gonna head to the grocery store, get some drinks, some stuff, and then head to the car wash. I can get the car a quick wash as well as clean these rims. You gotta keep the rims clean, they all white. But yeah, man, it's been a long wait just to get these this part. So I'll probably do an overlay, remind you guys what it is, and talk about it. As far as the experience of ordering it, that was really simple, really easy. But it's just that wait time, man. When they tell you, hey, it could be like 3 to 4 months. Try longer than that. But again, you know, custom parts do take time. I mean, you look at the steering wheel on the Honda right here. The steering wheel took 6+ months. So let's head out. They don't do stuff like this, but I had to record this. Look at that. This Honda got these stickers on it. Real Racing, Kandi, Japan, fuck the speed limit, all that nonsense. Adds an extra 5 horsepower for a sticker. Come on, guys, don't sticker bomb your car, man. Get what you can afford. If you can afford a nice car, I mean, cool. If you can afford a car, I mean, it's an Accord. You can fix the Accords up and make them VIP, or actually make them race cars. I've seen a couple of race car Accords. And by the way, yeah, those are AFRs. But yeah, for real, man, do better. At the car wash, gonna wash this car, wash out this, you can kind of see it right there. Wash all this crap off the window, get it all nice and clean, get the rims cleaned up. And again, I post overlays of the part I'm talking about. That's coming in next week finally. Hopefully there's no issue with it during shipping, nothing's cracked, nothing's destroyed, because that would severely suck. Been waiting for these months, and then the part comes in and it's got issues. That would not be cool. Yeah, let's hop out and wash right quick while you got daylight, that we can head to the grocery store. For real. You guys know we always start with the rims. We're gonna use our famous Pattersons. I love this crap. This crap is awesome. And do it. How about that? There you go. Yeah, no, I love this Patterson shit. Stuff is the truth. Yeah. Stuff is the truth. And again. Beach this crap right on up. I definitely not recommend this Patterson's. Ever since I used it, this stuff just tears through this dirt. Back up some. And problem is I had to buy a big gallon, as you guys know. Yeah. And it's got the after smell too, that's tough. That's that cleaning agent though. That's what it smells like. It smells. Let's sit on there. Whew, it smells strong. As you guys know, I'm gonna sit on there and give a second to eat through that dirt and grime. Gives me an opportunity to talk about the part. But the part I'm talking about is the fenders. You guys remember I ordered those fenders for the Z back in, like I said, it was April or May. It's been a while. But they told me 3 to 4 months. Actually, no, it was before then, because I should have had them by June. So May, April, yeah, it was like February or something like that. Yeah, I was supposed to get them in June, and I'm just not getting them. So that's what, almost 6 months, so almost half a year. Jesus. So like I said, I hope there's no issues with it. I'll put some overlays on the screen of the fenders. If you guys forgot what they look like, they're one-offs. I'll be the only person on this side of the this side of the world rocking these fenders, which is gonna be awesome. If anybody's interested in the fenders, I will. Or you'll be able to see the title, but I'll post the link for it. But it's a long wait, man. These are made to order. They don't keep them in stock for obvious reasons because of price. They're not cheap. But I'm looking forward to getting them and then getting the Z to a paint and body shop, get them installed and get some of the fenders painted. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. Like I said, I don't make videos just to make videos for like no content. I guess I've been waiting for some new stuff to pop off, and definitely been waiting for these fenders. I would have never made Hot Import Nights, obviously, but we do have some upcoming shows, so we'll have those fenders at least by Import Face Off, which will be awesome. So again, I'll put the link to see the Society for the fenders. And once I get the fenders in, we'll do a whole overview of the fenders, the quality, etc. Before I ever even get them mounted or installed or anything like that. If you guys have any questions, post them down below. I'm gonna go ahead and get to washing this car right quick. And for you guys that forgot, there's that Pass International. No brushing, no agitating. Shit's the truth. For real, the shit's the truth. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna get to washing. I'm gonna show you guys, I forgot, that's why actually it's worth the money. Makes you bigger than this Passing tire care for sure. Alright, well, I washed up basically, like I said, guys. Waiting on these fenders to come in, and then once these fenders come in, we're gonna go ahead and work to getting them on the car and see how it dramatically changes the Z. But again, this was just a quick update. I'm gonna go ahead and head out now. Here, you guys have any questions, please click like and subscribe. Post them down below. We're hopping back on the content. I'm very, very, very busy. Just trying to make this money so I can start up on some new projects and get some stuff going, get some things going, I should say. But alright, guys, like I said, as soon as I get these fenders in, we're gonna check out the fenders together. I mean, hopefully there's no damage on them. I mean, hell, it's been half a year, kind of like this, like I said, like the steering wheel. They get these fenders, so I'm very excited to finally get these fenders in and finally get them mounted, get my Z looking, my 370 looking completely different. So as soon as they come in, we'll take a look at them, we'll see what's up, and hopefully all is good. But again, please subscribe. I see a lot of you guys have been subscribing. Let's get these views up and get these subscriptions up, give me an algorithm. Like I said, I'm one of the few ones that's actually building a Z and this Honda for the most part. As you guys already know, you guys have been watching. Sorry about that. A lot of stuff that's been done. So again, click like and subscribe. Let me know you guys' thoughts, anything you'd like to see. We do have some upcoming shows. Let's get these fenders on the car so we can get the Z out to some shows this year. Alright guys, see you guys next video. Peace.